Guangzhou Haoshun Mold Tech Company Limited was established in 2010. It is a manufacturer specializing in R&D, production, sales and service of molds, CNC processing, 3D printing, plastic injection molding. Our company is situated in the Guangzhou, encompassing a spacious plant area of 3,000 square meters. We are dedicated to upholding stringent quality control standards and providing attentive customer service. Our team of experienced technicians is always available to discuss your requirements and ensure complete customer satisfaction. We have not only focused on innovation in mold technology but also introduced advanced equipment such as CNC machines, EDM lathes, milling machines, and drilling machines. These advancements have expanded our product range and enabled us to obtain certifications like ISO 9001 and SGS. Our products have gained popularity across various provinces and cities within China, as well as being exported to North America, Europe, Oceania, and other regions. We warmly welcome OEM and ODM orders, whether you choose from our existing catalog or require engineering assistance for your specific application. Our customer service center is available to discuss your purchasing needs. With our steadfast commitment to technological innovation, high standard production, excellent pre-sales and after-sales services, and comprehensive technical support, we aim to help you stay ahead in the market competition. Haoshun hopes that we can overcome any challenges in our cooperation and achieve fruitful results.